Assalamu alaikum, WWE Universe. Sending my absolute best wishes to all of you this Ramadan. I hope that you have a very blessed and joyful month ahead. Ramadan Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum, WWE Universe. Sending my absolute best wishes on this Ramadan. I'm hoping everybody has a very blessed and joyful month. Ramadan Mubarak.
WWE Superstar Champion of the People, Sami Zayn. And I want to take a second to wish all the people in every city, in every country, a very happy and very holy Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone all across the world.
Everybody, this is WWE Superstar Mustafa Ali, and I'm wishing everyone across the Middle East a very happy and blessed Ramadan.
What's up, guys? It's WWE Superstar Seth Rollins, and I just want to wish all of our fans in the Middle East and around the world a happy Ramadan. May this holy month bring you peace and happiness.
Hi, I am WWE Superstar Finn Balor, and I want to wish all the WWE Universe around the world and in the Middle East a very happy Ramadan Kareem. May this month bring you happiness and peace.